Question is, what changes are coming with the transition to Forma? Well, on March 24th, Autodesk Construction Cloud will join the Forma Industry Cloud and be rebranded as Forma. So, this is a brand and experience evolution, not a replacement. All your projects, your data, your processes are going to remain exactly where they are while we expand Forma with the capabilities that you already rely on today. So technically, Forma is going to be joining ACC's trusted infrastructure, and ACC will then take Forma's name. So let's start out with what's changing, and it's mainly focused on branding and UI. The top left logo, the global navigation, it's going to refer to Autodesk Forma rather than Autodesk Construction Cloud. We do have some names for your existing product names. They're going to shift to reflect their place within Forma. So Autodesk Docs is going to become Forma Data Management. BIM Collaborate Pro is going to become Forma Design Collaboration. And then Autodesk Build, Autodesk Takeoff, and Autodesk Estimate are also going to receive some updated product names of Forma Build, Forma Takeoff, and Forma Estimate. The bundles, they are going to adopt some updated Forma names as well. Forma for pre-construction, Forma for model management, and Forma for construction operations. Uh, ACC mobile app, that's not left out. That's also going to be renamed to a Forma branded app. And now accounts within the Forma Industry Cloud will be named hubs. So account admins are now going to be called hub admins. So all of this means that the current Forma product needs to be renamed to Forma Site Design. And this sets up the future where you'll see more design capabilities for more disciplines. So next up is going to be Forma Build Design, building design. So what's really important to know is that this update brings your construction workflows into the broader Forma ecosystem, extending the same enterprise controls, governance, and user management used today across the full platform, full Forma platform. What is not changing is more important, honestly, than what is changing. And to make this transition seamless, none of your operational or technical foundations are affected. There's no data migration. All your projects, members, settings, and files are going to stay exactly where they are. So there's no change to regional data storage support. No URL, login, API, or integration changes. All of those are going to continue to work as they do today. There's no licensing or user provision changes. So your seat counts, your contract terms, your admin workflows, those are going to remain the same, and no workflow disruptions. Your templates, your reviews, your issues, your automations, and those day-to-day processes are going to continue without modification. The one thing I do want to note here is that email notifications from the platform will change to include Forma and therefore should be added to your company's safe sender list.